making our Christmas memories.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to do a clean with me. I'm going to get the house all clean and organized and straightened up and get some things done around my house that I've been needing to get done. So let's get into it.
Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean.
I'm going to go ahead and start in my living room. I didn't have too much to do in here today. I just cleaned up all the little things that didn't belong, and I cleaned my table. I dusted a little bit where my TV and stuff is, and I vacuumed and I mopped, and that was pretty much it in here.
Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing?
So next week, I'm going to end up doing my hutch on the inside. I got a few more new Rae-Dunn pieces that are Christmas, and I've been just sticking them in there as I get them, but I'm not liking it. I'm just putting it in there so it won't get broke. But I'm going to end up redoing it and probably adding a couple more lights to where the lights come from the top so it will shine down on everything. I'm still going to have my lights on the shelves, but I'm also going to put something at the very top. Because I feel like it needs more light in there. I don't know. But I'll be redoing that next week.
In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. And family, making angels in the sand, you ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sun said it is just getting better. Chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart.
Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to hang these stockings. I actually hang them up and then I decide a little after I hang them that I don't like them, so I took them down. I'm not sure. I still don't have them on my wall. I'm not sure where I'm going to put them. I think I might try and find like an actual stocking holder that sits like that stands up. I've been looking in a couple of the stores and stuff, but I haven't found anything that I like. Last year I put them on my fireplace, so I had a place for them, but the fireplace is now in my bedroom. So I'm struggling this year with the stockings. I don't really know where to put them in here. So if you see somewhere where I could put them or where they might look good, let me know, because I still don't know what to do with them.
But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand, you ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Here we go. All right. Dance, now this Christmas, we're gonna dance. We're gonna dance, 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 come on, dance. We're gonna dance, dance, have a good time. Dance, dance, all night long. We're gonna dance, dance, and have a good.
Now I'm gonna go ahead and head into my bathroom. I had just some stuff to put away. Eventually, I need to get these drawers organized again. Those drawers never stay organized, no matter how many times I organize them or how many containers I buy to organize the stuff that goes in them. They never stay organized. But I need to get to those eventually, so that'll be in a future video. But I'm going to go ahead and clean everything, wipe everything down, clean the mirror, the toilet, all that stuff, and get this all vacuumed and mopped. And that's pretty much it in here.
So I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Hey, hey. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling. cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe. And I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree.
So after I clean the toilet, I get these little gel sticky things. They're made by Lysol. There it is. Gel, the little Lysol click gels. They smell so good. Every time you flush the toilet, it cleans your toilet, and then it also smells really, really good. I've been using these for years. You can get them anywhere, Walmart, Target, anywhere has them.
Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. The snow is falling down, and the storm is on its way. But as long as you're around, everything will be okay. 'Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you.
Okay, so now we are in the kitchen. This is the messiest room in the house this day that I'm cleaning. I'm going to get all this cleaned up, organized. The kitchen table is not dirty. I just have a ton of stuff on it for a future video that I'm going to do, and it's going to be so fun. I'm so excited. I cannot wait to get it out to you guys, but I can't show the table. Every once in a while, you'll see a little bit of something, like little sneak peeks of what it's going to be about, but it's going to be so fun. I cannot wait to get it filmed and get it up for you guys. So I won't be showing the table today, but everything else needs to be cleaned. Dishes need to be cleaned, and floor needs to be vacuumed, that sort of thing. So I'm going to go ahead and get into that now.
I've longed for this moment to have you for myself in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything to be perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Another year went by, but the difference this time is that ever since July, I've been happier than I have ever been. It's safe to say that my love for you is true. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything to be perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me.
Okay, so now heading into my bedroom. The first thing that I always do when I clean my room is start with my bed. I feel like once I get my bed made, that is such a huge accomplishment that it just makes me feel so much better. I don't know. Am I a weird one? I don't know. But I started with my bed first. I got it all made, and then I start cleaning up. I don't have too much to do in here other than clean my husband's nightstand because it's always a mess, and vacuum really good because my dog also sleeps in here as well. So I just changed my sheets, so I didn't have to do that today. But I'm going to get all that done, and then I'm going to do a real quick clean on my bathroom, and we'll be good in here.
'Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment.
So I wanted to show you guys how I turned on my Christmas tree. My husband got this little plug thing that hooks up to the tree or whatever you're doing, and you can control it by your phone. So because the plug is behind our fireplace, I was having to move my fireplace in and out to unplug and plug my tree back in. So he ended up bringing this home from me. I think he got it at Sam's or Costco. It was like in a 2-pack. But you go on and you can hook it up to your phone, so I can literally just press a button, turn my tree on and off. It's the coolest thing. I know it's simple, and I know they've been around for a long time, but I was so excited whenever he bought these and hooked it up for me, so I didn't have to keep doing that.
To have you for myself in a cabin out of nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything to be perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and
Now moving on to my bathroom. This bathroom does not get used a lot. Just literally me and my husband use it. So there's never really much to do in here other than wipe everything down. Just the normal, everyday cleaning is what I do in here. It's so small that I never have to deep clean it because it just gets cleaned all the time because it's so little. So I'm just doing the normal maintenance in here, and I'm going to vacuum and mop, and then this bathroom will be done.
me.
Christmas lights are all around. I can see them now. It's like they spell your name. It's insane. Now we're back here once again. Holidays and cheer. But now I got my eye set on you. I'm not gonna play it safe. It's going down on Christmas Day. 'Cause I've been trying to tell you in every way. Yeah, I've been trying to show you.
Now I'm going to head back into my kitchen. I was waiting for my dishwasher to get done because I had a ton of dishes still to do. So I'm going to go ahead and unload the dishwasher. And I have to dry my top rack because I mentioned this before in my other videos. I think my dishwasher is getting ready to go out, or the drying portion of it doesn't do a very good job. I'm not really sure what's going on with it. It is really old. So, I've been waiting and waiting because once I get a new dishwasher, I want it all to match my appliances. So we're either going to get all new appliances, or we're just going to move into a new house and then get new stuff then. So I've just kind of been holding off and not wanting to make that big purchase yet. So I just have to dry all the dishes really well before I put them away, and then I'm going to fill the dishwasher back up with the dirty ones and get those clean. And then I have cups to wash, but I'm not going to wash them in this video because I moved on to do something else. I ended up washing those later on that night. I didn't film it or anything, but that was the only thing that I had left over was like our tumblers and things like that we can't put in the dishwasher.
Somehow felt I wanna have someone to hold. Walking through the falling snow. I've been trying to tell you in every way, but now I'll get it done. I'm not gonna wait. And right around the mistletoe, I'm gonna let my feelings show. Always got you on my mind, but I know this time you're on top of my list. Only wish, and as we decorate the tree, only you and me. I'll be making plans, make you understand. I'm not gonna play it safe. It's going down on Christmas Day. 'Cause I've been trying to tell you in every way. Yeah, I've been trying to show you, but somehow
Okay, so now I am having my husband hang this mug rack that I got. I've been wanting this mug rack for quite some time, and I just went ahead and I bought it. So I'm going to get it hung up to where I can put my Christmas mugs on the wall. I told my husband whenever he was hanging this to make sure that it was very secure to the wall, because if anything happens and my mugs fall and break all over the ground, I'm going to be devastated. If you collect Raydon at all, you know that some mugs and some pieces that you buy. They're really super hard to find, and when you do find them, you get so excited. So that's me. And some of these mugs I was really excited to find and really hesitant to put them up here, but he assured me that it was secure, and they, you know, it was in studs in the wall, so it wasn't going to go anywhere. So I went ahead and put them up here because I had this vision and I just had to do it. I was so excited whenever I did it, and it turned out so good. I love it.
I wanna have someone to hold, walking through the falling snow. I'm trying to tell you in every way, but now I'll get it done. I'm not going away and right around the mistletoe.
So what I decided to do was to put my mugs in like the shape of a Christmas tree, and I wanted to go with just the red and the white. I didn't have any green mugs, which I was super bummed about because I did want to add green in there, but I didn't get lucky enough to find any green ones. So I just stuck with the red and the green, but I was having trouble when I got down to the bottom, and I wanted to put something else down at the bottom, some like different decorations or whatever, but it just didn't work out. And then my husband was like, we'll just add another row of mugs. So that's what I did at the very end. This isn't how it stays, you know, as you're looking at it right now, but if you are curious, I ended up getting this greenery from Michael's. I got it from Michael's, and I just got one little like bunch of it, I guess, like one, I don't know what you call it. And then I just went and I cut each of the little limbs off of it, and I did end up having to add some greenery that I already had because it looked a little thin on the bottom once we added the last row. The last row is not on here yet. I added the last row of my mugs, and then I couldn't stretch out the greenery that I had bought, so I went and I stole some greenery from my big Christmas tree actually, and I cut that up, and I just stuck it in there to make sure it looked all even. But it turned out really, really nice. I love it.
I'm gonna let my feelings show. I've been waiting for so long for you, but now I got it planned. I know just what to do. 'Cause I've been trying to tell you in every way. Yeah, I've been trying to show you, but somehow failed. I wanna have someone to hold, walking through the falling snow. I've been trying to tell you in every way, but now I'll get it done. I'm not going away.
So that is it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already and you'd like to, please subscribe to my channel. I have a ton more Christmas things coming and a really fun and exciting video coming soon too. So you want to stay tuned for that. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
Right around the mistletoe.